Good morning everybody and welcome back to this Respray vlog. Right, today we're gonna put the windscreen in and the back window, and I'm at Arton's nice and bloody early because the guy's starting early, and I'm gonna go and meet the guy. I'm running a little bit late, so let's get out there and let's see these windows go back on the car. Just before we do pop out, yeah, take a look at that, eh? This is all the electrics from the other stubby. I mean, all the electrics from the driver's mirror put onto this stubby, and this is now complete. The only difference is these locating pins at the bottom. See that pin there that's white? It's slightly different on the GTi. The GTI's locating pin is up there where my thumb is. And I don't know, hopefully that's going to work. If not, we're going to have to take them locating pins off. But really sexy. The mirror isn't heated, but I'm not too fussed about that. I'm going to eventually get one. It's genuine glass, so I don't want to just put any old replacement on there. If we're going to get a heated one, it has to be proper. But yeah, that's the driver's stubby done. Windscreen, back window man, let's go. Very close to the end now, guys. Very close to the end. I wish I knew for this. This cost me a fortune to get that done.
Oh, you had that tinted?
No, I mean, to replace it, the back window cracked.
Oh yeah, you had it replaced, and you must have had it tinted as well.
I tinted it after. The guy I know is not too bad. It's like £20 a window.
Oh really? Yeah.
It's not bad.
No, that is cheap.
Do you do that as well with the tins?
No, so you've got to be dedicated to doing that all the time. I don't even see the hairdryer. Might want to heat that up.
The original one of this had that on there already, isn't it? That's from the factory where it comes.
But when you remove the glass, it gets cut off. So usually they expect you to buy new glass.
You wanted to go right-handed.
Yeah. That's got a right memory. It's got right. It's all right in the summer.
Oh yeah.
And on a warm glass, as soon as you get in the winter, do you want to warm that corner up there? Let's just see how it reacts first. A bit of spoiler. See that? Yeah, see, once we take that tape out, and then that just sits into where it wants to be.
Right.
It's just keeping it on there while we're doing it. All nice and straightforward.
Oh yeah, the windscreen's going to be a lot easier, I should imagine, isn't it?
Yeah. Annoying when you turn up to do a door glass and there's a spoiler. My neighbour, she had a Toyota RAV. Her Ford had a spoiler on the back, got right in the way.
Oh.
And ended up snapping. Just wouldn't come off. It bonded it on with double-sided tape. And couldn't take it off.
me about
It's a little bit more pliable. Is that okay to
What's that, like a primer?
Yeah,
What,
it touched up any scratches that you get.
Ah, okay.
Yeah, who was it who recommended me again, Paul?
You know Zach?
Zach?
Yeah, but he's got a Mercedes Sprinter.
Oh yeah, Zach. Yeah.
M5.
Yeah.
He'll drop what he's doing to help you. He's one of them sort of guys. Proper old fashioned.
Fresh paintwork on the roof, is it?
Yeah, no, the roof's okay.
That's okay. Yeah, keep that tight.
Top tint looks nice.
Get us the cut more buds and that spray cleaner. Yeah, it does, doesn't it?
This used to be really common, innit?
Yeah, yeah, they were. And then they
Back in the
faded
day.
away, and then a lot of the cars put a grey top on, just to be less prominent.
Hey, have you dealt with any panoramic roofs yet?
No, try to avoid them.
Yeah, yeah. Can you imagine that?
Yeah, I mean...
Because there's ones that go right up to there, the windscreen.
Yeah, they are pricey. Yeah, because my old Mark 1 Golf GTI, 1979...
Yeah, I had one of them.
Yeah, that was running, what, 105, wasn't it? Standard.
The 1.6 was about 105.
Yeah, I had the 1.6.
And the 1.8 was about 115, if I remember right.
Oh, right.
On the Mark 1s.
So I had the 4-speed.
Oh, so you had a right early one. Was it
Yeah,
a T-Reg or something?
Right early V.
V, yeah. That's the
Round
smaller
dials.
smaller backlights.
Yeah.
Maybe even single headlights.
Yeah.
Or did you have the
It
twins?
was modified.
Yeah.
With a kit and whatever. But he had the round dials on the speedos, 4-speed, points ignition, not electronic ignition.
Yeah.
Used to burn the points out all the time.
Points, and then by the time I mean, my first one was a Wireage. It was a 1.8. That didn't have points. That was electronic ignition.
Yeah, that went electronic ignition with 5-speed box.
Right.
That 4-speed box, I'd get 95 in fact. I wish I'd looked after that one and
They're worth money now.
scrapped it, yeah.
Oh,
The
scrapped.
bottoms rusted out.
Yeah.
The seals had been welded over already and they were underneath, and then the rear chassis was going, you know, when you're like,
Yeah, they
you're 18, 19 and they say you've got £400 welding bill, you're like, you don't think the car's got any value. We've got this scuttle to put in, Paul.
Is it straightforward? Because I mean, I'll do that. I'll give this a clean first.
Yes, it's nice to leave it to set a bit first. Because
All right. Do you know what? Leave it, Anton. Leave
Yeah.
it. I'll do it.
that wants cleaning off.
Yeah, I'll give
And
that.
then squirting WD-40.
Okay, yeah, I can
just
do
to
all
help
that.
it plug in. I'm going to take this filler out though, because it's nice to let it set and then you're pushing in. Because if you push it in when it's wet, you're pushing all the glue all funny underneath.
Right. Okay.
So it's nice to. You don't normally have the luxury of letting the urethane go off because you're off to the next job. Sort of thing, you know? There's the filler. I've got that filler in there from the factory, so that when it's in my van, it doesn't crush that shut.
I'll get you.
Open nicely. You want to oil it and it'll plug in.
I'll get you.
Nicely. For the
Okay.
danger.
I'll go to. I've got to go Cash Point get some dosh.
God.
It's all done, isn't it?
Yeah.
You see what I do? I come this way so I don't scratch.
Don't worry.
Because there's no buttons, yeah?
It's fine.
Now, I understand about cars, man. And we find wife for Anton.
Yeah.
It's beautiful, isn't it?
You know, because there are 3 different shades on these ones. You know, there's a red shade, which I don't like, and I just got the standard shade.
All right.
Every time you do something, you just get the standard and that's it. It will match perfectly. Right, you got the mirror done?
Have a look at my sexy work and see if you approve.
You know what you're doing, mate. Haven't scratched the top.
I did.
Beautiful, man.
It's nice, but I made a little mistake. Don't worry about that.
Yeah.
The location
It's
pin
normally on top.
was on top of the GTI, but this...
I'm just worrying the whole mirror is gonna match.
Don't say that, Arton. It should be all the same.
Let's see. Nah, you know what you're doing, isn't it? It is there.
Is it there?
It is there.
Oh, please, man. Don't give me heart attack,
you
man.
need to cut that pin. Just finish that quickly and give you a hand.
All right.
Can you do that?
Yeah.
All right.
Okay.
Just give it 10-15 minutes. You like your videos, don't you?
Right.
I hope you're earning enough commissions from that.
No commission, mate. We don't get paid on YouTube. We're gonna put the mirrors and stuff back together, and that's it for this vlog. Arton wants the car out of here, so the next one will probably be out. So see you soon, guys. See you soon.